Picture this. You're scrolling through job listings at 2 a.m., coffee-stained resume in hand, wondering if there's a better life waiting somewhere beyond your current paycheck. What if I told you that right now, there are countries where your skills could literally double or even triple your earning potential? Today, we're diving into the 10 highest-paying countries that are actively seeking international talent, and some of these numbers might just blow your mind. Let's be real here. While adventure and cultural experiences sound amazing on paper, most of us considering a move abroad have one burning question. Where can I make the most money? The reality is that certain nations are experiencing massive labor shortages in key industries, and they're willing to pay premium salaries to attract the right people. But here's the catch. It's not just about the salary number on your contract. We need to talk about taxes, cost of living, and whether you'll actually come out ahead. The countries we're exploring today are ranked based on average monthly incomes published by international labor organizations. But I'm going to give you the real story behind each destination. Some of these places might surprise you, while others will confirm what you already suspected about where the money flows globally. Starting at number 10, we have Belgium, which holds an incredible distinction. It ranks number 1 on the Global Workplace Happiness Index. This isn't just about how much you earn, but how satisfied employees feel with their careers and economic prospects. The average monthly salary sits around $4,700, which becomes even more attractive when you consider that Belgium's cost of living is lower than many other European Union countries. Here's something that really caught my attention. They process work permits and labor cards in just 10 to 15 days, making it one of the most efficient systems in Europe. Plus, with 3 official languages and widespread English usage, communication barriers are minimal. Singapore takes the 9th spot, and this island nation is absolutely crushing it economically. The Global Competitiveness Report named it the world's second most prosperous economy, which means companies are desperately hunting for overseas talent. With a median salary of $4,800 monthly, engineers can pull in up to $80,000 annually, while general practitioners often earn around $100,000 per year. But here's the kicker. The tax situation is incredibly favorable. Non-residents pay just 10% flat tax, while residents with lower incomes might pay 0 to 4%. Even better, any money you earn overseas and bring into Singapore isn't taxed at all. Australia claims 8th place as the only Southern Hemisphere country on our list. Beyond those famous beaches, this economic powerhouse offers around $4,800 monthly on average. The immigration policy is particularly welcoming for international students who want to transition into careers there, though some policies have been affected by recent global events. What makes Australia unique is its incredible diversity. 43% of Australians either have overseas-born parents or were born abroad themselves, creating a truly multicultural work environment. The United States sits at number 7, which might surprise some people. Despite having the world's largest economy and hosting major tech giants, the average monthly income is around $5,000. However, this number varies dramatically by location. If you land a position in tech hubs like San Francisco, Austin, or New York City, you can expect significantly higher compensation. The key here is strategic positioning. Being in the right industry in the right city can make all the difference. Germany takes 6th place, and there's a reason why professionals from around the world are flocking there. With unemployment at just 3.6% compared to the EU average of 7.6%, the economy is clearly booming. The average monthly salary exceeds $5,000. But what really sets Germany apart are the employee protections. Their employment laws heavily favor workers, offering strong termination protection, collective bargaining agreements, and generous holiday policies. For entrepreneurs, Germany ranks as one of the best countries to launch a startup. The Netherlands rounds out the middle at 5th place with approximately $5,500 monthly. Despite being relatively small, this nation has built one of the world's largest economies through above-average growth and remarkably low unemployment. The Dutch are famous for their comfortable lifestyle, and their government actively supports small businesses through simplified bureaucracy and tax incentives. This creates a perfect storm of high wages and business-friendly policies. Norway takes 4th place, and we're now entering seriously high-salary territory at $5,700 monthly. As one of the world's wealthiest nations, Norway constantly attracts qualified workers, especially to Oslo, which offers exceptional quality of life. The oil, shipping, and fishing industries provide numerous opportunities for foreigners, though it's easier to secure positions if you're an EU citizen. Yes, living costs are high, but the natural beauty and progressive government policies often offset this concern. Luxembourg claims third place, and this might be the most surprising entry on our list. This tiny nation of just over 600,000 people offers an average monthly income of $5,700, with gross wages reaching $70,000 annually. The secret lies in their high-tech service sector and special tax exemptions for expats. Banking executives here can earn up to $300,000 yearly plus bonuses, making it a goldmine for financial professionals. Denmark secures second place with $6,000 monthly, and here's where things get really interesting. Despite very high tax rates, citizens willingly pay because the government invests heavily in healthcare, education, and social programs. Denmark consistently ranks as one of the world's happiest nations, and remarkably, there are no defined minimum wages yet. They maintain the lowest income inequality globally. The country also has zero foreign debt, making it incredibly stable economically. And finally claiming the top spot is Switzerland at roughly $6,500 monthly. This landlocked nation in the heart of Europe maintains its own currency and banking system, staying outside the European Union. This independence has allowed Switzerland to build and maintain incredible wealth over centuries, resulting in some of the world's highest salaries across multiple industries. Now, before you start booking flights, remember that raw salary numbers don't tell the complete story. Countries with higher salaries often have correspondingly higher living costs and tax rates. The key is finding the sweet spot where your increased earning potential genuinely improves your financial position after accounting for all expenses. The opportunities are definitely out there, but success requires careful planning, research into visa requirements, and honest assessment of your skills and industry demand. Some of these countries offer incredible fast-track programs for skilled workers, while others require more complex immigration processes. The global job market has never been more interconnected, and skilled professionals have unprecedented opportunities to dramatically increase their earning potential. Whether you're drawn to Switzerland's banking sector, Singapore's tech boom, or Germany's startup ecosystem, there's likely a perfect match for your skills and ambitions somewhere on this list.